Hi everyone, welcome to this new video on 3 important skills that you need to learn to get paid over and over again. Now what you will learn in today's video, you'll learn that there are 3 skills that you need to know in order to get paid over and over again. And how you can start acquiring these skills so that you can start making money online. And plus, how do you sell your skill to test out how much you can charge for your service. Now there are many online skills that you can acquire online. However, you need to acquire these 3 skills in order to get yourself paid if you don't have a job or if you're looking for second income. The 3 skills are graphic design, creating videos, and copywriting. Now graphic design is required in a lot of businesses, especially those that have products to sell or services to sell, and those who want to market their products would require graphics to be made almost every few days or every week or every month. Now creating videos like this, you can make it yourself to sell product or services and things that you have to offer so that people know you and it's more personalized. Next is copywriting. Copywriting acts as a salesman like 24/7, whereby you can sell your services while you are sleeping, and at the same time you do not need to pay this person, and it is a skill set that you need to learn. It's not difficult to acquire, however it needs time to practice in order to give you a better conversion rate. Now some of the places that you can start learning all these 3 skills are Udemy, Skillshare, or YouTube channels. I would say that if you are starting out, you can go to Udemy or Skillshare. The reason is because you'll be guided by a coach or a content creator. The content creator can reply you if you have questions about the course or the content. However, in YouTube video, although it's free content, you will not be able to interact with the video creator on a student and a teacher basis. So consider these 3 channels for you to acquire your first skill. Some of the freelance websites that you can consider to sell your service after you acquire this skill are Fiverr.com, Guru.com, Upwork.com. So you are starting out, I would say that go for Guru.com or Upwork.com to test out how much people are willing to pay. But when you're new in the marketplace, always put yourself slightly or below the market price. Or you can help a friend by creating graphics for this person if the person needs it for marketing purpose or the person needs to use this for particular products or service. And you can also help your customer by creating graphics or writing a copy by charging a small fee. So this is to build up your confidence at the same time to understand where you are at. Now always start with 1 skill and 1 freelance website so that you can actually scale from your 1 skill and then you move on to the next skill. Now in summary, by mastering the 3 skills I've mentioned, you can be sure that you'll be paid by people that require your service. So your next step is reaching out to all these people. You can create your own products by selling your design on print-on-demand sites like Amazon, Redbubble, or on Teespring. You can start to sell your Kindle books. Now I'll say that on the online world, a lot of people look at graphics first or the design of certain product first before they look into the content. For example, when you browse for a book, you will look at the author and you look at the cover. If you do not know the author name, you look at the cover and the cover looks professionally designed, you will most probably buy this book if it's in your interest. Now create your own YouTube channels would require some learning skill. At the same time, you need to master video editing. So I'll say that if you have the time, this would be a good skill for you to acquire. At the same time, you can personalize, promote your service, your products, or even affiliate products using videos, and eventually can create your own online class. Now copywriting, like I mentioned, is like a 24/7 salesman. You do not need to pay this person and you can continue to sell products over and over again using the same copy. I hope this video is useful to you. Do like, comment, and acquire the first skill that you need, and I'll see you in the next video.